Alright guys, today we're going to show you how to do a 540 kick. It's going to look like this. Alright, so that's how it's going to look. It's kind of similar to a tornado kick. A tornado kick looks like this. But instead of landing on the leg that you first chambered with, you're going to land on the leg that you're jumping off with. So the steps of the 540 kick is going to be, you start either this way or that way, whichever way is comfortable. You're going to wind up whether here, like this. You're going to step facing your foot forward this way. You're going to step with the other leg. You're going to turn. You're going to chamber. You're going to turn, jump on the same leg. And then you're going to land. But as you jump with the same leg, you're going to kick. So start all over again. So you start, put your foot facing that way. You're gonna turn, come down. You're gonna look behind your shoulders. You're gonna chamber, then you're gonna jump, kick, and you're gonna land on that same leg as you kick. Whoa! All right, I'm gonna show you in a slower, semi-slower version.
We played together on that island. His voice always used to be there.
That's how it looks. I'm gonna show you going this way towards you.
I can't think of his face or his name. If you're walking.
And then I'm gonna show you fast, full speed version. Nope, do it again. Change it up. Pause it. That's how you land your 540 kick.